Well, hey guys, Zach here with another video for you guys today. Just sort of an announcement. I got, home last night. They delayed my flight, so I got home at like midnight when I was supposed to leave at 4:30 in the afternoon. I got home after got into the airport after 9, so we were all starving, so we went out to eat, and we came back at midnight. But, today I went to, like, Walmart or something, and I got a iPhone 5, not 5, what am I saying? Well, for Christmas, I got hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of dollars. Well, actually, almost $1,000. Yeah, over $1,000 in checks and whatnot. But I decided to buy an iPhone 4S. So I'm filming with it now. Tell me how the video's coming out, and yeah, I'll see you all in another video. And you know what? If you want me to stop doing like vloggy type things and do more like feeding videos, care videos, stuff like that, just tell me. So I'll stop vlogs. Well, not really vlogs, just like little videos of me talking. So yeah, but tell me how my 4S's video is coming out, and yeah, I'll talk to you all in another video, and see you later.